This episode is dedicated to Crete. It's a great island full of history. We're gonna spend here 3 days and 3 nights, and we're going to be busy. It's a lot to see, a lot to see.
We are close to downtown. We will walk out of the marina.
Crete is the 5th largest island in the Mediterranean and its largest island of Greece. Crete, not densely populated, it's only 700,000 people living here. And it's a very long island. I think it's about 180 miles long. The archaeologists saying that Crete was inhabited since 150,000 years. In 7th century, archaeologists found some settlements and pottery and signs of agriculture. It was very good land here, very good soils. So people growing oranges and olives for thousands and thousands of years.
It was Father's farm. Here there are approximately 60 trees.
Can you explain us how to find the best orange?
From the color, now at the beginning of seasons, the best are closer to the sun. You can see that this better than the other. 20 years ago, when there were many oranges in Crete, some people used to send to Thessaloniki in order the people to get some vitamins. The oranges that fell down on the ground were presented to Thessaloniki, to people, at orphans, to children who had nothing to eat.
So local people have big hearts.
Yes, I can say the Greek hospitality, the Cretan hospitality, the world philotimo. The Cretan, the local, has a lot philotimo. It is in our DNA.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. I am proud to be Cretan.
I can tell you it's different cut from Turkey and slightly different taste. The lamb is usually it's fed grass-fed and it belongs to the area. So lamb from New Zealand tastes different than lamb from Greece or from Crete. We just stopped at the local restaurant to taste their lamb and see what happened.
Πιο δυναμικό, εσύ χορεύεις με το ζάλι.
Ναι, το ξέρω.
Να χορέψεις. Έλα, κάνε λίγο με το ζάλι. Όσο μπορείς. Είσαι αρχηγός.
Μάλευες ό,τι.
Bravo. Unexpected. It's amazing. Local restaurant in some village.
And it's a family, owner's family, and I don't know, relatives, someone, musicians, and it's all spontaneous. We didn't even plan to stop here to begin with. It was so hard to leave these people, to leave this little town. We're probably never going to be back here, but these people are so warm, we became friends, almost like we're speaking the same language. It's great.
Minor storm experience, but I hope we'll get some action later. It was fun.
Walking historic streets of Hania, we discovered one of the oldest pastry shops in town.
Hello. Rashivas and my father, George.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
The shop here exists from 1967 in this place, but my father started earlier in 1946 in the age of 12 years old, and after 1958 start alone this business and continues still today.
Wow.
Then we have to cover it now with cloth, it's linen, so this absorbs the water and phyllo dries slowly. This is the final product, how it will be at the end.
Ah, you see, it's dry. It's not so wet, it's dry. No, like a paper.
Paper.
And then, wow, magic.
Oh, look.
Wow. Wow.
First
To test?
to test.
To try.
And now we're going to visit a monastery. It's 13 nuns who are living there, and all they do is icons, and also they do church paintings.
Welcome. We are glad to see you.
Thank you.
You are now at the main church of the monastery. This is the Church of Transfiguration of the Savior. The frescoes in the main church were made by the nuns of the monastery.
So in all frescoes, everything we see here is done by sisters. By
Yes.
Wow. It's so good here. It's
But it's winter and we have no flowers and so.
but still beautiful, gorgeous. Look at this view, Mom. I know why your frescoes are so bright and shiny because of the view.
Our daily life, except of some work, is dedicated to praying. The nun, when is painting the icon, she is praying. First, there is a black background, and on it the eyes, mouth are drawn. It's proplasmos that makes this dark color. I forgot to tell that. For the colors, we use egg and vinegar.
Natural ingredients. So this is tempera.
Yes, it's
acrylic.
tempera.
If you're interested, we can teach you.
I'm probably a bad student for this. And you're also making some beads here.
Prayer ropes can have 12 knots, 33, 50, and 100.
That's it.
It's a little bit difficult.
I'm lost. I will never be able to repeat it. It's incredible. So it's like this?
Yes.
You're like counting,
bead.
counting,
Yes.
counting,
You say.
counting. The Crete is too big and it's so much to see here that we couldn't fit it in one episode. So we're gonna see you again in the next episode, Crete again.